Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Motorola X40 device, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for your smartphone. On the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher, so open it. You can download it from the Play Store, and here we have really simple interface. Here we have all favorite apps and alphabetical line to quickly find any application you need. For example, I want to find the Facebook. I'm just tapping my finger on alphabetical line and dragging it to F button, and as you can see, Facebook is here. Now I want to open the Play Store, so dragging it to P, and Play Store is here. So any app you want to find, it's very easy to use. Great. On the second place is Smart Launcher 6. Why I love this launcher? Because here we have really great wallpaper gallery. So we can use any wallpaper for free here. Of course, if you want to use great 3D perspective, you need to pay for it, but we don't need 3D. If you need, of course, you can pay, but you don't need. Okay, so for example, use any wallpaper, click setup, and great. As you can see, now I have really great wallpapers. But why I like this launcher? Because here we have really handy apps grouping feature. For example, here we have contacts, internet, games, media, utilities, and settings. And on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. So here we have a really great glance panel. Glance panel is a panel when we have all our widgets, so we can set up all widgets here and we can use it. Then why I love this launcher? Because here we can set up gestures, so open settings, open gestures, and for example, 2 fingers swipe down, up, open, I don't know, for example, Google Drive. For example, of course, you can provide your decision. So now when I will swipe up, swipe down from up to down, so Google Drive will be opened and calculator will be opened when I will swipe from down to up. You can set up always here. So great, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.